In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use Google Docs to create and manage your documents like a pro. Let's start by heading over to Google Docs. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to access Google Docs and its suite of features. Now that you're logged in, it's time to start a new document. You can do this by clicking on the blank button to create a fresh document. This is your workspace where you'll be crafting your document. The first thing you should do is give your document a name. Click on where it says Untitled Document at the top and enter a descriptive name. This will help you identify the document quickly in your Google Drive later on. With your document named and ready, let's get acquainted with writing and formatting. The toolbar at the top of your screen is your best friend here. It offers several tools such as bold, italic, and underline, which can be used to emphasize your text. You can also adjust the text size and color to suit your needs. For organizing your content, use paragraph alignments and create bulleted or numbered lists to make your document clear and structured. If you want to define and highlight different sections of your document, click on the Format option in the menu and navigate to Paragraph Styles. Here, you can set headings, subheadings, or title styles to give your document a professional look. This not only enhances readability, but also makes it easier to navigate through longer documents. In addition to text, you can also add various elements to your document to make it more informative and visually appealing. Click on the Insert tab, where you can include images, tables, charts, drawings, links, or even horizontal lines. These elements can significantly enhance the presentation of your content, making it more engaging for your audience. Once you've completed your document, you might want to share it with others. To do this, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can enter the email addresses of people you want to share with or copy the link to send it directly. Remember to set the appropriate permissions. You can choose between viewer, commenter, or editor, depending on how much control you want others to have over your document. Lastly, if you need to download or export your document, you can do so by selecting File in the menu, then Download. Google Docs offers several formats such as Word, .docx, PDF, and plain text, .txt, so you can choose the best one for your requirements. This flexibility ensures that your document can be utilized across different platforms and software. In just a few steps, you've created a document using Google Docs and learn some of its essential features for effective document management. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, Google Docs can be a powerful tool in your digital toolkit.